Oh my gosh. Wait, is that? It's Amy. Hi guys, it's Amy. Okay, so, oh my gosh, it's been so long since I made a video. I'm tripping. So first off, I want to say thank you all so much for all of your love and support. Oh, it means so much to me. The purpose of this video is to discuss what's going on. What's up with Amy and Amy's Clay Things? Excellent question. Yeah, good one. So, like I said, thank you all so much for your love and support. It really does mean a whole lot to me. A lot of people have been asking, you know, what happened to you? Where did you go? Are you okay? Did you quit clay? Like, oh my gosh. So where have I been? I've been around, just chilling, doing my thing. No, I have not quit polymer clay, and I have no plans to ever quit polymer clay. So there's that. So you may or may not know that I am actually disabled, and I won't go into all of these specifics on my disability, but I will leave some links down below in the description if you're curious. But basically I'm in pain 24/7, and sadly it affects these bad boys right here. I can't work with the clay. And that's very depressing for me. So I had to take a hiatus. Wait and see what happens. I am feeling hopeful. I have found a new pain doctor, and we might be getting some relief from the pain. So I'm hopeful that something will work and I will be able to clay again. So fingers crossed. So in the meantime, I have needed another creative outlet. I've always been kind of artsy and creative, but lacked motivation to do anything. And when I started polymer clay, it blew the doors wide open. And going on hiatus from the clay, I had to do something. So I got into mixed media art, mixed media art journaling specifically. It's where I started with. Wow. It has been so therapeutic and just kind of life-changing. Sometimes I'll work through some rough times through the art, and at times I will express the negative, and at other times I'm expressing the hope and possibilities, just life in general. But it's been so amazing. I just can't believe I haven't been doing this my whole life. So yeah, I've been doing that. And I have also recently started trying to draw. I think I'm actually really good for a beginner, if I don't say so myself. But I have a long way to go. But I'm working on it. I'm practicing drawing just a little something, like every day if I can. You know, just doing what I can to be creative and learn and experiment, and you know, it's been a journey, and I'm excited to see where my journey will go from here. So I really truly hope that I can get back into Polymer and I can get to uploading videos. I've been very ambitious the past like year and a half or so. I get an idea of something that I really want to do, but I kind of set goals that are just a little bit too big. I started YouTube and I told myself I'm gonna post a video a week or 2 a week. And that just, it's impossible for me, especially with the pain. I just can't do it. There is a lot of work involved in uploading videos. You don't just shoot a camera and then boop, it's done. You know, there's a lot with editing and, you know, trying to make sure that everything looks right with the light and, you know, is my hair okay? You know, whatever it may be. The editing part can be grueling, but worth it. So I really truly hope to be uploading videos. I hope before the end of the year, for sure. But I'm not gonna set unrealistic goals this time. For the remainder of the year, right now, I just hope to get out one more. If I do more, awesome. If I can't do it at all, that will be disappointing, and I'll have to look at where I'm at with things and make some decisions. So anyway, if you've stayed this long, thank you so much. You're awesome. Again, I will leave the description down below for my art Instagram, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Miss you so much. Okay, bye. Mwah.